What's the review on the Wonka bar?
Good.
Or is Margaret River chocolate better?
Both.
So today it is Christmas Day and we've been camping, and so we've had a nice relaxing morning. We've opened up presents in the camper van and then just had breakfast and lunch just here at the campsite. But now we are heading out to go to Hamelin Bay, which is one of my favourite places because you can see stingrays right at the beach.
I spread my wings and let go. Something stirring in my soul. I feel it again, feel it again, feel it again, feel it again. Unlock the cage and free my heart. This is where the journey starts. Now it begins, now it begins, now it begins, now it begins. This is gonna be a good day. Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. I was born to breathe the air and take a road that goes nowhere. I'm ready to live, ready to live, ready to live, ready to live. Like a dove I fly away. Now's the time, today's the day. Now it begins, now it begins, now it begins, now it begins. This is gonna be a good day. Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive.
So we're all done at Hamelin Bay. We are heading back to the campsite, but we had a really good time. I really love it there. The water is beautiful and the stingrays are just so friendly. We had a whole bunch of them come up to us and they seemed to like the GoPro. It must be the electrical current in the GoPro, but they swam right up to it all the time. But yeah, it was just really fun. We had a little picnicky dinner there and now we're heading back to the campsite.